Let's move on then to the last part of the poem, stanzas 7 and 8. Thou wast not born for death, immortal bird. No hungry generations tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth, when, sick for home, she stood in tears amid the alien corn. The same that oft times hath charmed magic casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas, in fairy lands forlorn. Forlorn. The very word is like a bell to toll me back from thee to my sole self. Adieu. The fancy cannot cheat so well as she is famed to do, deceiving elf. Adieu, adieu, thy plaintive anthem fades, past the near meadows, over the still stream, up the hillside, and now 'tis buried deep in the valley glades. Was it a vision, or a waking dream? Fled is that music. Do I wake, or sleep? So, all the way through this poem we've had this contrast between the world of the nightingale, the world of spirit and imagination, and the poet who is tied to his physical senses and laments the world of reality. But now, in stanza 7, we get the sad heart of Ruth. She's sick for home, she stood in tears, and then beyond that we get the perilous seas and the fairy lands forlorn. All of which pulls the poet back as he realizes that even in this world of the spirit and imagination, this world of the nightingale, there must still also be sadness, there still must also be suffering. So then he ends in a sort of confusion of feeling, was it a vision or a waking dream? Do I wake or sleep? As if he doesn't really know where he stands anymore or what's going on anymore after this experience.